Wow. It's great to see everyone today, and I love the energy. This is our fourth Saulog. Let's make this fourth year our best year in Saulog ever. Let's all have fun, guys. Every single year, we remind Tagbilaran and we remind Bohol that we have the best BPO here in town.